Khalifa, and my name is Masur Khalifa, and my channel name is Kupur Masura. Thank you guys for joining me on this video, and I'll be and this video we're gonna make shawarma. So shawarma is basically a sandwich, yeah. And actually first you are supposed to put the chicken on a pan grill, but actually you're supposed to make the dough so they can do it. I prepared the dough because it will take time if I do it on the video. And I'll just show you the basics of stuff and how to do it, okay? So here's the video. I'll show you. So here. So this is the chicken. It's a chest chicken. You have to put it in a grill pan, or you can grill it outside on a house. But I prefer to do it inside the house because it's nice. Okay. See? Alright? The temperature, not the temperature, the stove, you must not put it too hard. Okay? So it will cook after 3 to 8 minutes. You just leave it. You can mix it. Okay? You after it grills, you're supposed to put some pans. See? So guys, this is how you're supposed to make your pizza. Not your pizza, your shawarma. So when this cooks up, okay, when this cooks up, I'm supposed to put some, like after like 1 minute, like 10 seconds to 30 seconds after you put it, like almost like an average of 1 minute, put some garlic. I have some garlic, okay. So garlic, you can put an amount of 1 garlic, not garlic, why did I say garlic? Onions, onions, okay. So put one big circle of onion, cut it, not too big, not too small, just medium. And you put it after this thing cooks half, not fully. Okay, so I can see that it's quite ready now, so I'll put it. Okay. So mix it. See? I put some tomato. So first of all, cut some chest breast. Make your dough. And then cut your onion. One full onion in a circle, and then put your nice tomato. Okay, and then after that you put your oil, a little bit oil. I put a little bit oil and mix it. Start mixing it. As I said just now, it will cook after 3 to 8 or 7. It may take longer than that, but it's okay. So put some salt. I have my mom helping me. Okay, it's quite nice now. I can feel I want to eat more, and then put some peppers and stuff. As you can put any of your pepper or of your lentils you want, because I'm not gonna force you. You can do it. You can do once any recipe you want from this. You can put any lentils or spices. Okay. As for me, I'm making an orange shawarma. So I want to put this stuff because I want my shawarma to be tasty as I want it to be, and I expect it. Okay. See? After that, after you got your things up, put your spoon, your spatula or spoon, wooden spoon down, and close it so that it can cook peacefully. And we will prepare some stuff for this. So you prepare. Okay. So we'll just let it cook on itself or by itself. I mean, and we'll prepare some other some other ingredients. So before you start this video, you must have your ingredients ready. If not, it will get your meal not that much tasty or awesome. So yeah, let's go and prepare our ingredients. Okay. Actually, there's no ingredients. It's just that you need to let it cook. Okay. After that, you will what is it? After it cooks, you can cook some fried. You can put some fried chips. You know for fried chips like the KFC and McDonald's fried chips. You can grill them on your fry them on your pot or like a small bowl so to grill it you have to put some oil, not much oil because you don't want your food to be like that. Okay, so if you feel that your chicken has little garlic, you may add. I'm not gonna force you as I said. So yeah, after you get your dough ready, your dough ready. I already prepared mine. I already cooked mine. Actually, I'm sorry, so I'm not showing it to you. But you will just put it on a after it's cooked. You pan it and flip it. Okay, as much as you want bread. Okay, not love your dough. When you cook it, it's already finished. So your bread for the shawarma, you will leave it. Put the things that you want, like I usually put fried chips, as I said, and you put your chicken after it's ready, and then you just fold it and put it on this grilling pan that I said. So you watch a grilling pan and put it on. Okay, it's this grilling pan is really good and it's a real nice pan, and this video is sponsored by a shop that my mom usually buys all the pans and cookie stuff from it, and it's really good. You guys must see it. Okay, after everything's ready, you may just put your shawarma in your grill, as I said, and you're done. Okay, bye guys. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and ring the bell. So like ding ding. Okay, and thank you for watching. Bye. See you next time on my next video. Bye. Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and my name is Mansura Khalifa, and this is the part 2 of the shawarma. So this video I'll be showing you how to pull the shawarma and how to see the chest of the chicken as my last video. So okay, so I'm gonna mix it, and then you will take some coal. Okay, you put it on the fire, and then you put it inside your shawarma. Make some space for your shawarma. Okay, and then put it inside it. Yeah, and then you will close it. Not close it. Put a little bit oil so that it can make some smell. See, oil, so it can make some smell. See, so you can see the smoke coming out. See, you can see the smoke coming out all over. I'm so excited to eat this. Okay, and then we will start by doing some other stuff to prepare for our shawarma. Okay. Oh my god. If you guys want to see what's inside, like if I open it, the smoke, make sure to like this video and comment below if you like it or no. Okay. Okay, so after after the smoke of the chicken breast, the chest, if the smell, you can smell it really good. You can finally put it to your dough. So this is the bread, the dough that I make. I know it's not perfect, but it's up to you. In any shapes you can make, even square. It doesn't matter about the shape. It matters if it's tasty. Okay, so I'll show you the smoke, how it comes. It's super cool. See? Oh my god. Oh my god. So this is the coal that we put it in. Does it look tasty, guys? If you guys think that it looks tasty, comment down below. And hashtag tasty chicken. Okay? Okay, so I'm gonna start off by making my dough after I smell it. So at first I accidentally put some chicken. So you put some chicken first with your noodles too. So let me take, because I see there's few. So you take a little bit of your chicken from the pan. Okay. I think this is a little bit more, I think. Okay. So after you put it a amount that you're happy with, you can put your salad. So this is my salad that I cut it out all. You must wash it really carefully, because you don't want to get sick because of the bacteria and viruses, right? So you wash it properly, cut it into small pieces, and you're gonna put it. So I'm gonna take some. Oh my god, so nice. Okay, a little bit more. Okay, and then I'll show you how you will fold it. So first, this is your shawarma. Okay, you first cover it like this. So like this, do it. Okay, so see. Okay. Oh no, I forgot. You have to put your potato chips. Okay, so I grilled them, and yeah. So you can just take like 3 pieces and put it in. Okay, if you don't have, so you fold it first like this. Okay, and then you bring that one here and keep doing. Okay, so if it's like this, okay, and then you put it in your grill pan, and then you put it you put it in your grill pan, put it right here, and done.